Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be tuning this little puppy. I do already have a tune with Dallin, but I do need an update, and yeah, I want to have him like try and update the two-step, that way it can shoot better flames, because at the moment it just shoots whenever it like really wants to. I gotta pump gas and I'll be heading there. I'll put you guys on my forehead. Hopefully I can get a good view. I don't know, every time I put you guys on my forehead the video comes out like shit. Either I'm recording like way up here or like way down here. I don't know. I don't know if it's the camera moving or it's just the way I mount it, because the way I mount it is I put it on my forehead, I sit in like my natural resting position where I drive, and then I don't know, I try. Every time I like fuck up somehow, I tend to just like delete that video and then just try to make a new one. So I'm hoping this attempt goes well, otherwise I'm gonna be fucking pissed. But yeah, I'll catch you guys at the gas station. Peace out. Alright, so y'all are about to see this dumbass angle that I managed to fucking get. I'm sitting here and I'm editing, and I realized that the fucking camera angle was fucking dog shit. So yeah, I pretty much fucked up all the POV recordings, so I'm just gonna leave in the most important parts, and yeah, peace out or whatever. I'm about to hop on the freeway and we're about to start heading over there. Should take about 40 minutes if I'm not mistaken. If not, I'm gonna be fucking late. Give you clout, bro. Once I upload this, my 3 subscribers, dude, are gonna hit you up.
My 3 subscribers.